Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could really elevate the look of your home, specifically your cabinets and drawers. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. Today, we're reviewing the Probrico 30-pack stainless steel cabinet handles. These handles are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your cabinetry while also providing practical functionality. With a modern matte black finish, they bring a sleek, contemporary touch to any room. Let's talk about some of the most important features of these cabinet handles. Each handle has a hole center measurement of 3 inches, or 76 millimeters, with an overall length of 5 inches, or 127 millimeters. This size is quite standard and should fit most cabinets and drawers, making it a versatile choice for many homes. The handles are made from lightweight stainless steel, which not only ensures durability but also adds a touch of elegance to your furniture. One of the standout aspects of this product is the ease of installation. The Probrico package comes with 3 different sizes of mounting screws: 1 inch, 1.38 inches, and 1.7 inches. This gives you the flexibility to choose the right screw size based on the thickness of your cabinet doors. The installation instructions included are straightforward, making it easy for anyone to attach these handles without the need for professional help. These cabinet handles are suitable for a variety of users. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your kitchen, a DIY enthusiast wanting to tackle a home improvement project, or even a professional interior designer seeking stylish and functional hardware for clients, this product caters to all. Their simple yet elegant design ensures they complement a wide range of interior styles, from modern to traditional. Now let's talk about practical use cases. These handles are perfect for kitchen cabinets, dresser drawers, cupboards, wardrobes, and closets. Their hollow T-bar design not only looks great but also provides a comfortable grip for easy access to your items. If you're renovating your kitchen or simply looking to refresh your furniture, swapping out old handles for these sleek new ones can make a noticeable difference in the overall feel of your space. Moreover, if you're working on a larger project, the 30-pack option is particularly beneficial. You can easily outfit multiple cabinets or drawers without the worry of running out of handles. This is particularly handy if you're doing a full kitchen remodel or updating several pieces of furniture at once. In terms of quality, Probrico has put thought into crafting these handles. They are designed to withstand daily use while maintaining their appearance. The matte black finish is not only stylish but also resistant to fingerprints and smudges, which means your handles will continue to look sharp with minimal maintenance. Before you start your installation, make sure to check the package contents, which include the selected handles, the 3 sizes of mounting screws, and installation instructions. And should you experience any issues with your purchase, Probrico offers a customer service guarantee, promising to send replacements if there are any quality problems. In summary, the Probrico 30-pack stainless steel cabinet handles are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their home's interior. With their stylish design, ease of installation, and versatility, they are sure to be a great addition to your furniture. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.